Thanks for visiting my channel Applied Virtual Solutions. Thanks for joining me today to see how Six Sigma certifications can improve your career. Six Sigma is part of the Project Management Program. Overview of Six Sigma certifications. Adding a project management certification to your resume can demonstrate your capability to excel in many work positions. Regardless of your industry, a Six Sigma project management certificate shows that you possess valuable management skills. Most people hold only one Six Sigma certification, though you can get all 5 of them if you want. Here's valuable information to help you choose the right Six Sigma certification that fits your current job status. Six Sigma is an approach to business that helps improve work and product quality. There are 5 Six Sigma certification levels. White Belt. It is the basic level of certification that deals with the basic Six Sigma concepts. The white belts support change management in an organization and engage with local problem-solving teams that assist projects. Yellow belt. At this level, you know the specifics of Six Sigma, how and where to apply it. You will support project teams on problem-solving tasks. Green belt. At this level, you understand advanced analysis and can resolve problems that affect quality. Green belts lead projects and assist black belts with data collection and analysis. Black belt. For project managers. Black belts are experts and agents of change. They provide training in addition to leading projects. Master Black Belt. This is the highest level of Six Sigma achievement. At this level, you will shape strategy, develop key metrics, act as a consultant, and coach black and green belts. There is not a step-by-step process to obtain these certifications, which means you can earn a black belt without getting a green belt first. Multiple institutes offer Six Sigma certifications. These certifications can be obtained through an accreditation body like the American Society for Quality, ASQ. Six Sigma is available online. Benefits of Six Sigma certification for individuals. These certifications can help you become a specialist in process improvement and will enhance your credibility. Learning Six Sigma methodologies can positively impact your career. The ability to add Six Sigma certification to your resume proves your commitment to improving your business acumen, analytical skills, and work output. It helps your organization reduce risk and eliminate errors and defects. It improves business processes and sustain quality improvement. Six Sigma certification helps professionals acquire risk assessment and financial management skills. Offers excellent salary after completion. The national average salary starts from $62,000 to $99,000 depending on the certification level. According to credible sources. Help individuals gain hands-on experience in quality management. As you can see, the importance of Six Sigma certification cannot be overstated. For individuals, remaining competitive and employable in a world with dwindling job prospects is vital. Employers will have peace of mind knowing that their production lines are run by professionals whose primary focus is quality. Subscribe to my channel if this is your first time visiting or if you have not done so yet. Click the bell to get notified of jobs and career information on this channel. Click the thumbs up to like this video. Have a great day.